Hello and welcome to my video on tricks and tips for CFD engineers. Today, we're going to be discussing ways to make your computational fluid dynamics simulations more efficient and accurate. Whether you're just starting out or have been working in the field for years, these tips will help you get the most out of your CFD software and improve your results. Let's get started. First, it's important to properly mesh your model. Using a high-quality mesh can significantly improve the accuracy of your simulation. Make sure to use a mesh that is fine enough to capture all the important details of your model, but not so fine that it increases the computational time. Visualize the grid to check for quality and consider using adaptive meshing techniques if necessary. Another important consideration is the choice of solver and boundary conditions. Different solvers are better suited for different types of problems, so make sure to choose the one that is most appropriate for your simulation. Additionally, setting the correct boundary conditions can greatly affect the accuracy of your results. It's also important to verify and validate your results. Compare your simulation results to experimental data or other simulations to ensure that they are accurate. Use appropriate metrics and plots to evaluate your results. Incorporating turbulence modeling can greatly improve the accuracy of your simulations, especially in cases where turbulence has a significant impact on the flow. There are several turbulence models available, each with its own strengths and limitations. Choose the turbulence model that is most appropriate for your simulation and validate it against experimental data or other simulations. Another way to improve the accuracy of your simulations is by using multiphysics simulations. This involves coupling multiple physics phenomena such as heat transfer, mass transfer, and chemical reactions in a single simulation. This can provide a more complete understanding of the problem and lead to more accurate results. Another way to make your simulations more efficient is by using parallel computing techniques. This allows you to split your simulation across multiple cores or processors, which can greatly reduce the computation time. In cases where you're simulating a real-world system, it's important to consider the effects of operating conditions, such as temperature and pressure, on your simulation. Make sure to use the correct operating conditions for your simulation, and consider the effects of changes in these conditions on your results. Finally, consider using post-processing tools to visualize and analyze your results. These tools can help you gain insights into the flow and identify areas where further refinement is needed. I've covered a lot of ground in this video on tricks and tips for CFD engineers. Remember, proper meshing, solver selection, boundary conditions, verification, turbulence modeling, multiphysics simulations, operating conditions, and post-processing are all important factors in making your CFD simulations more efficient and accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips have been helpful. Good luck with your next CFD project.